Hello students, good morning. Welcome to e-tutorial of Vinayak Public School, Khajurahat, Ayodhya. My name is Pradeep Kumar Yadav. I will be teaching you today class 8 subject math. Chapter 2 linear equation का video number 11. Question number 6. Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their present age. Right solution. Let us take Shreya's present age to be x years. Then Arjun's present age would be 2x years. Shreya's age 5 years ago was x minus 5 years. Arjun's age 5 years ago was 2x minus 5 years. It is given that Arjun's age 5 years ago was 3 times Shreya's age. Thus 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 ब्रैकेट में x minus 5. 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 15. Minus 5 plus 15 is equal to 3x minus 2x. 10 is equal to x. So Shreya's present age is equal to x is equal to 10 years. Therefore Arjun's present age is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20 years. Thank you.